Good evening, guys. So today we will see the breakout which we have taken today for the stocks selection. So based on the today's portfolio, if you see, we have made a profit of 2,272 2,227 rupees. So out of this, first breakout stock was Chennai Petrol. So let's analyze the chart for Chennai Petrol. So the chart for Chennai Petrol, if you see, oh, we are getting some error. Yeah. So the chart for Chennai Petrol, if you look at the day candle, it shows a clear breakout. So here is the breakout pattern. And if I will move to the 1 minute candle, so there you can see, friends, there is a proper breakout at 797.60 for 1%. And again, there was another breakout exactly at 3 o'clock, just during the market close, for about 1%. So in Chennai Petrol, there were two breakout. So if you have patiently watched about this stock, we would have entered at this price point, and the alerts would have made a magic for making some good profits. So the next stock was FSN, which is nothing but Nika Fashion. So the fashion stock did not perform very well today. So again, there is some error which we'll have to switch back and then open it again. Okay, so Nika Fashion, let's again try to open this. Yeah, so Nika Fashion, as you see, day chart, there is also a proper breakout today, which was indeed a very nice breakout. As you see, guys, this is a breakout pattern. So the stock was in such a downtrend for a long time, and was trying to break out for today at this price point, which is 252. But in our case, we had to make some loss just because of the stock did not break well. And as you see, this was our price enter and exit. And yeah, so I had actually made a loss by entering twice. And yeah, this is the loss which I have taken. And the next stock was for breakdown stock, which is the Tata Torrent Power. So the Torrent Power also had a good breakdown chance today. So as you see, the stock, if I will switch to the day chart, the stock was in an uptrend for quite some time, and the stock has tested in the price point of 1189.90, which is exactly 1207.3. And today the stock gave a proper breakdown. And if I switch to 1 minute chart, so as you see, the stock got broke at 1207 rupees 30 paisa for breakdown of 1%, 1.60 percentage. So it's a quite good breakdown. And again, the stock tried to test at 1.207, which couldn't go up, and again there was another breakdown. So there was a breakdown chart. And again, Indian Oil Corporation is also very good breakout chart today. So as you see the chart, 1 day chart, if you see, the stock got a breakout at this price tag. Yeah, at this price tag of 1254, 154.79. And if I will look at 1 minute candle, as you see, the stock broke exactly at 152.63 for about 1.74. And again, the stock is trying to break out for tomorrow. You can keep this in watch list. And yeah, if the luck, everything goes well, the stock can also give another breakout at 155.3. So this looks even a good stock for tomorrow. So I had actually watch listed this. Let's hope this also give some profit for tomorrow. And we have HPCL. HPCL also gave a good breakout today. So as I open the chart, you see there is a breakout pattern as indicated. The stock was exactly breaking out today. And if I will switch to 1 minute, as you see, the stock HPCL gave a good breakout for 1%. Okay, 0.85 percentage. So these are the stocks which made some profit today. And if I will go to watch list for tomorrow stocks, we have SBI cards. So if I open the chart, you can see there is also a good breakout pattern for 1 minute day chart at price of 902.60. Again, there is a Bharat Electronics BEL. So BEL also consolidating at this point, and it is trying to break out. Hopefully this will not open in gap up tomorrow. 413.70. Oil India also has a very good breakout chance at 419, which is 423. Chola Finance also have a good breakout for tomorrow. So I had alerted this at 1066.80 is a good breakout. And also if we see uptrend, there is another breakout which may give at 1684. Another stock is Indian Oil Corporation. So Indian Oil Corporation also, yeah, today we have entered, and I was saying there is another breakout chance for tomorrow at 155.30. So do your analysis, guys. So maybe you can keep these stocks for tomorrow's watch list. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.